In this problem, they give us an equation and they want us to find h of 9. H of 9 is function notation, which is really telling us that they want us to take the x value of 9 and plug it into our equation. The easiest way in my mind to do this is to go ahead and take the equation that they give us and plug that into y1 on our calculator. And then from there, we go ahead and just graph it. And we'll do a second calc, and then number 1, which is value. And the value that we care about is x equals 9. And so we'll just want to type in 9, and whatever the y value we get out is going to end up being our answer. And so we're going to go ahead and pull up our TI-84 calculators, and we're going to do some graphing. So we're going to go into the top left corner, the y equals button, and enter the equation they give us. So x squared plus 7x, and then minus 5. And then we go ahead and graph that equation. And then from there, we just want to calc a value. So we're just going to hit second calc and then number 1 value. And then it's going to ask us what x value we care about. And in this problem, they wanted to know what's happening at x equals 9. So we type in 9 and hit enter. And then the y value that comes out is going to be our answer. So in this situation, the y value is 139. So the answer to this problem would have been 139.